Now we are going to show you how to disassemble and assemble Strm model blank pistol. You can find the instruction manual inside of the box. Before disassemble your blank pistol, you must remove the magazine. Then pull down the pin like this. After that, pull the upper part back and up. Now upper spring pin are divided. You can maintain cleanliness and oil your blank pistol during at this position. The barrel must be cleaned of a remaining powder residues in a good way. Now we are going to assemble your blank pistol step by step. Put the pin back with the spring and upper part. Now it's ready. When you shoot, pin goes up to all position. You can shot. Have a enjoy.